America's top expert on infectious diseases says the United States is now out of the full-blown COVID-19 pandemic phase, but insists the virus still poses a threat. This revelation coming as it has been estimated that up to 4 out of 5 people in the European Union have already been infected at least once. Shi-hoo with this report.
Top U.S. infectious disease expert Anthony Fauci has said that the U.S. has left the pandemic phase, but that the virus still poses a threat. In an interview with PBS on Tuesday, Fauci said the country is out of the full-blown pandemic phase, but that continued efforts such as vaccinations will be needed to keep infection levels low. When referring to the global situation, he said the pandemic is still ongoing. Later, in an interview with CNN, Fauci added that the U.S. is currently in a transition phase heading toward normality. The number of new COVID-19 cases in the U.S. decreased drastically over the past couple of months as the Omicron wave receded. But new cases are ticking back up in most states and hospitalizations have started to rise over the past week. In response, Fauci warned the public to follow CDC guidelines and to get vaccinated. He also said that infected individuals can be protected from requiring hospitalization through what he called highly effective therapy using antiviral drugs. According to Fauci, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention are working to increase the availability of antiviral drugs. They have ordered more of the drugs and will also double the number of sites where they are available. Meanwhile, it has been estimated that 60 to 80% of the EU population could have been infected with COVID-19. That's according to Reuters on Wednesday, quoting the EU Health Commissioner speaking at a news conference. According to the EU Public Health Agency, the number of reported cases is equal to about 30% of Europe's population. But if unreported infections are added, cases could be as high as 350 million, about 77% of people in Europe. Shi-hoo, Arirang News.